A very warm good evening to all group members. Hope you all are in good health. So it will be a pleasure for me to have a group discussion with you guys on the topic um, engineering job scenario in India versus abroad. So the word job, it's quite inspiring as well as fearing. Grabbing a good job at initial level of your career is very important for your future. So I believe if a student is determined to grab a good job, if he's preparing from uh, a good time, if he gets a good time to prepare, definitely being in abroad or India doesn't matter. What are your views about it?
I totally agree with what Harsh said, but as we see the current scenario that most of the companies are investing in India and their origin is in foreign. So whether we apply for that company here or whether we do the jobs in their country or in abroad, the scenario will be same. So as per my thinking, jobs in abroad are more beneficial than jobs in India.
I'm agree with what Rishabh said, but it's not about the job opportunities. It's not about the seats in India and abroad. The problem is that the recruiter find the skills that in the student because the abroad side the study they give the qualitative study compared to the India. They not offer that type of study. So there is a problem in the student to get job. And if he's good, then he'll definitely get job in here or abroad, in India or abroad.
I strongly disagree with what Ravi said because it's not all about the like in out of 100 students there is one student who's capable, but still is not getting because the bunch of 100 peoples only makes 100 well organized people who are literally hardworking, but still they are not getting the job in India.
I totally
But
agree with
whether
what
Well,
Divyesh
you
said.
can see the students
Like
in
the
the interview
platform
only.
also
You can
matters.
see,
yeah, the platform matters because if the
That
same guy works in America or Germany, then he can be paid more rather than doing 1 year intern in India. Then he can have
yes,
1 month
yes, I
intern in
totally do
America.
agree with you. Like what we are saying that platforms do matter. In India,
Yeah,
we have various categories employees. Like if you
yeah,
are from ST, SC, you will be given the preference on the first basis, apart from your marks or anything.
yeah.
We are segregated here as government jobs and private jobs, but in foreign countries there are no scene of these things.
Yeah,
So
they
their
truly respect the
chances
work
of
over
getting
there.
jobs or better jobs in foreign is much more
Higher than
greater
in
than
India.
what in India.
Yeah, you got my
I
point.
would like to add to that.
Definitely, yeah. Please go ahead, Rohan.
That in India we all know about the marketing thing,
Yeah,
that the product demand and supply. Like that, the supply of engineers in India is way more than the demand of engineers in the country. That's
yeah.
the main reason the jobs aren't actually there. There are not that much opportunities, that much jobs around for the people, for the engineers, students.
I would
The
like to
students
put my point over
passing.
here.
Yes, yes, continue.
Yeah, while talking about
Please,
the
please.
demand of engineers in India, it is us who make the demand. It is because of us we are not getting jobs. Likewise, the engineers in India are more likely to work in abroad. If we decide to stay here and work here itself, our India will be a developed country in a few years ahead.
But
Definitely, I agree with Asmi.
rather than
But
keeping the
there are good
patriotism in our
opportunities
mind.
in.
Yes,
Please
Harsh,
go ahead, Rishabh.
carry on. Okay, so as
Okay.
Ami said,
So I, yeah. So
okay. as Ami said that we should depend on us that whether we want to work here or abroad. So rather keeping the patriotism fact aside, let's see first of how much investment we have done. Like while pursuing engineering, more than students spend lakhs of rupees. For example, I too have spent 5 lakhs, so I deserve to get a pay of more than 50,000 also. So
No,
which
no,
is
no. You're
fulfilled by
going
the
on the
countries
wrong
in
track.
foreign also.
Yeah, you're going on the wrong track. Actually, it's not about patriotism. It's about at the same time we also invest our money to travel abroad, saving that money over
Yeah,
here. You work here in low salary for some years.
But that
I mean
some
that's a
here is
valid
can't.
point. I mean that's definitely a valid point. But I would like to add that there are lots of opportunities in abroad. There are opportunities, you get an exposure, return to investment is quite high for abroad. If you are investing
as
some
compared
money
to
at
India.
this stage, definitely you are going to be fruitful
Yes,
Yeah.
abroad.
totally. If I am investing some amount, like if I am investing 1 lakh rupees per month in studies in abroad, I will surely get that 1 lakh rupees fulfilled in less
In
time as compared to India.
yeah.
As in scenario
So
of
what?
India, if I am working with 1,000 rupees per month,
Yes, yes. So I would
Let us
request
come to
Pranjal
the
to add his
point.
point
It's
here.
not about the
Let
it's
let's
not about the
let's give a chance to Pranjal.
getting our invested money back.
Pranjal wants to say something.
Yes, yes, I totally agree with Rishabh. So considering only about salary, I think abroad is better option than India, as it will get us more exposure to the world, and also we can learn new cultures. There, according to me, better as compared to India.
I agree with what Ami said. As India is a developing country, many companies are there who are willing to hire an Indian student because it's not about investment of fees we are paying in college. It's all about our talent, our knowledge. Every student, no doubt, how much fees you have paid, if you are deserving and if you have enough knowledge, there are lots of companies whose doors are always open for you. Thank you.
I totally agree with what Shraddha said. Continuing to her point, I just want to make a point that as we are considering the placements of our college, previous year I heard about a placement that a student got 1.5 CR package of Google. On the other hand, a student with more pointers and more technical skills got the job in India in L&T with a package of 7 lakh per annum. So the huge difference is that the job opportunities here or in abroad. That makes the changes.
Yes.
And according to me, job opportunities are also there in India because many companies are coming in India and opening their branches. Because of this, all Indians should get their job in India only.
I would like to add one point to Ami's, like what she said, that the people of India, as the people of India, we have to try to get the jobs in the companies of our country. But it's not like that we are not trying. The unemployed people of India, the unemployed engineers of India, it's not like that they are not trying to get the jobs in our company. They are working for even like 15,000 rupees per month. They are working for as low as that amount of money.
Totally
Yes.
wrong. Totally.
But the opportunities are still limited. It's not that the people are trying to go abroad and people are trying to earn just money. There are
No, it's
IITians still who can't even get the
yeah.
jobs.
Totally. We also had heard, you also have heard that the IITian student have given the Group D examination. So
Yeah,
after
the
having a
railway
plus
group D examination.
so the main scenario is that after having that technical aspects and technical skills, but we are not getting that platform which foreign investment, foreign countries are providing to us. So I don't think that there are any reasons for staying in India and working here, as we are not getting what we means what we deserve.
Rishabh, your point is right, but I would like to add that it can be a misconception. Like in second and third years, you can see that people just switch to different fields. Being in your engineering, they see for some other field because of the misconception that there are no jobs in India. There is lack of manpower, like there is lack of jobs availability, and there are lots of engineers in India. So that can be a misconception. So then after that, in fourth year, they come back and they sit for placement and they end up getting nothing. So that is somewhere scenario. But at the same time, if there are students who are well aware about the things about the this entrance exams like GATE, CAT, which actually catch your test your caliber. So who know about them, they start preparing like from second year, third year, and definitely they get a good job after their graduations or their MTech. So you see there is a lack of knowledge or information in India going on in
So
the
totally
second and third
agree,
year BTech students.
totally agreeing to your point, but you can see the ratio. Like in previous year, we have seen that more than 1 lakh student applied for the GATE, and around I think 500, only
The
500
part.
were able to apply for the PSUs and that the companies which are giving a valid pay. What about the
Valid
rest of
paper.
that?
Rishabh,
What are the
that is a normal
they
scenario.
were
That is going on from years. Only the top 500 get into PSU. That is a normal scenario. But
It
it's
is
not like that. Even after PSU, there are lots of options. There are
But
lots
I
of
guess
options. Like
Harsh, you're not getting the
you
point.
can go for MTech.
it's
Yeah.
all
Yeah,
about the pay. It's
it's
all
not about
about
getting the
how
job.
much
It's about the pay. Yeah, it's all about the
jobs are
pay.
getting. It's not that
so.
we are
What do
not
you
getting
expect?
jobs. Jobs,
What do you expect after completing your BE? You should get 1 lakh or 4 lakh salary
no,
per
no.
month.
Expecting that
No,
much is
Actually,
also higher. But
actually no.
what we
yeah,
expect that
Let
we should get what we deserve. Like
deserve
not
actually.
a
yeah,
clerk salary. Even a
Yeah,
clerks
yeah.
less
This
like
is
earn more than
15,000.
17,000, 18,000, and at same stage engineers get a pay of 1,000 10,000
And
rupees.
that
I
also for
believe
1
I
year.
believe that
I agree to the
yeah,
point
yeah.
what the
Amit,
Rishabh
go on.
said about the government job that they give the no, what you said that in
Yes, yes.
D type or C type they because they give the exam because of the job security. In government job you see that the people don't get removed from the job. For the job security they give the exam and nothing. I mean, who is eligible to give the A type or B type, C type, they give and get clear the exam and get job.
But
Yes,
But
Ravi,
So
that
let
let
us
us now
reservation is
come
there.
to a
So
consensus as we have reached the time limit. So I would like to conclude this group discussion here only. The discussion was very fruitful and we got various points and views to share, and hope it had made clearer views in our mind. And the GD was very informative and information sharing. I like to end this meeting here only, as we can now see that jobs in India or abroad doesn't matter. What matters the most is our caliber and our skills, how far we can
definitely
get,
Rishabh.
and
and salary
there
and
is
some
1% of luck also
yeah,
that where we are going.
and
So
the salary
thank
is
you guys.
also matter at some extent. Yeah,
Totally,
Thank
totally.
you. Thank you.
Thank you all.
thank you.
I had a great time. Thank you.